Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to add a program or app to Windows 11 Startup. Right-click Start button, click Run, type Shellcolan Startup. Search any program already installed. Right-click Open File Location. Copy program shortcut. Paste Startup folder. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager, check the program is enabled under Startup Apps. Close and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.